Hello, today I'll show you how we can make this countdown in Canva. So at first, let's go to the page thickcounter.com. And here we can enter our text. For example, I'm entering until the new year 2026. So let's go to the left side menu and here we see the name. I'm entering my name. You can set the date. I'm setting on January 1st. We can search for font. I'm leaving Helvetica. Now, on the left side, we can choose any background. I am leaving white and I want that it will be transparent. I check transparent. Now we can change colors. We can go to name color and make it other. For example, I want that it will be green. Okay, now looks good. And digits color, let it be white. Okay, now the color last unit color. I want that it will be green too. And now we can click make countdown. And we have share link. Click on share link. Just select, click Ctrl+A and click Ctrl+C to copy that, or right button and copy, Ctrl+C. Now we can go back to Canva and we can go to templates and search for Christmas templates and let it be presentation. We can go to presentation, Christmas, and we can choose any template. If you use free Canva, you can choose free Canva templates. Okay, now I'm choosing, for example, this one. We can click customize this template. And now we can just click Ctrl+V and here you go. That's great. I hope you like this quick tutorial. If you click present and present, you will see your timer. I hope you like this quick tutorial. Click like and subscribe my channel. So Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. See you!